So when I think about the commonality between the organizations that are here, we all serve our communities, whether they're vulnerable, whether they're underserved, in different ways. But an event like this, when we think of what we're doing, really unites us all together to serve those in our communities. Catholic Charities has been an organization for a little over 100 years. We're the social justice arm of the Catholic Church, and I represent our organization, incredibly humble to be part here. The programs that we have a community resource coordination where we work with our community needs, understand what they might need that is beyond the scope of our programs, and then bring those to them. So it could be transportation, it could be bringing them to hospitals, things of that nature. So that's one of our programs. We have a mental health program. There is no greater time of need than there is now for mental health and support for the communities that we have. We also have a domestic violence and sexual assault program, both a shelter and an advocacy program in Council Bluffs. And we really try to help those that are healing, both physically and mentally, by bringing them back and really trying to get them back out into the community as best we can to support that. We have an emergency family shelter. One of the unique things about that within Des Moines is we're one of two that really focuses on bringing families together and then getting that back towards independence. And that's really aligned with our mission of both empowering individuals and, of course, strengthening families. And then last, but certainly not least, we have a food pantry. We serve over 600 to 700 people a day that walk up to our daily window. But we also have thousands that we serve in what we call our monthly store, and that's a 2 to 3 day supply of food that they have to help bring them back and kind of meet those gap needs that they have. And in the environment where people are struggling with things like SNAP, those are really important needs for the various food banks, and I know you're going to hear from that in just a little bit. Really quickly, just want to touch on what we have as far as the giving machine. People are able to work with a week's worth of toilet paper. In our food pantry, toilet paper is one of the #1 needs of personals. We have diapers that we're going to be able to have people purchase for those families that have children. A month worth of bus passes, again, to help transport and connect people around the community. The gift of a shelter one night for a family in a shelter is going to be wonderful. And then last was a door locks. You know, with our shelter, one of the things we're trying to do is create more security in there. So again, thank you, Susan. Thank you to the leadership, and we're humble and proud to be here today. Thank you.